What's going on, guys? How is everybody doing today? I wanted to make this video because a lot of people have been talking about this binary options app called Income Club, and I did get it, and I just wanted to do an honest review about it and see how things go, to see if you guys are interested or not. Sadly, they don't offer an affiliate program, so I won't make no money off of this, but I still wanted to make some content on this channel to show you guys what this whole thing is all about. So I'm going to have two videos. The first video is I'm just going to review the website. The second video is I want to do a challenge, a $1 challenge, to see how much I can make just from $1 using this application. All right. So basically what Income Club is a generated AI system where they come up with the codes for you to put into binary options. Now, if you guys don't know what binary options is, it's basically another form of Forex, but instead of you putting the amount of how much you're going to earn per pip, it's actually you have to guess to see if the market is going to go up or down, and you have to set a certain time frame. And once you set it, and once you click on the button, you can't do nothing else. You can't get out of that. You can't get out of that trade. You have to wait until the time is over, until you win or lose. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, you really have to be real good with the market in a way, to see if you got to figure out how long the market will stay above or how long it will stay below. So, just letting you guys know. So, this is the back office. This is how it looks like in the back office. And you see that they have a video series here. Let me just refresh this to see if I'll be able to come back in again. All right, so you see over here it has like different videos you can watch, how to download it, the digital options platform. Yeah, the digital options platform, which is let me click here in this button here. Pocket options is what they use for the trading. Well, we all use that. All right. But pocket options is not Income Club. All right. I've been seeing a lot of people getting confused that pocket options is part of Income Club. It's not. Pocket options is a broker. It's just a broker, meaning that you can use it on your own without Income Club. All right. Just letting you guys know. The good thing about pocket options is that you could make a deposit of $50 and up, but the minimum is $50, and you can deposit with Bitcoin, USDT, TRC20, Ethereum. They have a lot of options where you'll be able to deposit into pocket option. And in order for you to withdraw, of course, there's KYC, meaning that you gotta submit your ID, your information, and stuff like that. For that way, you guys can, we'll be able to withdraw. So, Going back to Income Club, at the bottom here, you see there's like multiple. There's a menu down here. So the first menu is actually the codes. Okay, now the codes here, you see that the first one here, and it's all by military time, guys. So this is basically 12 o'clock. So 12:05, and it will be Euro USD, and it'll be for 5 minutes. All right. So basically, when you come over here, you have to set the timer. You can see the timer's up here. Set it for 5 minutes. And then after that, when you look at the code again, it's green. So that means it's going to go up. So once you see the minute coming up, right? Once you see like 12:05 coming up, it's going to, you just click on this button here and ready to set to go. All right. But I'm going to have that training. Well, not training, but I'm just going to show you how that works on the next video. So I'm just letting you guys know that for now. All right, so here are the codes. It goes all the way down. It goes all 24 hours. All right, so this is the normal basic one, okay? Because they have upgrades as well. And I got the upgrades, because I want to show you guys how this works. So you notice that the date is here. And it says here, attention, after the market closes or on the weekend, trades must be done in OTC, right? I like to do OTC a lot. I don't know why, but it works for me a lot. But during the day, around 8 to 5, you can do it to normal Euro USD, but after 5 o'clock when the market closes, you guys can go to Euro USD OTC, just letting you guys know that. All right, so So we're already here. We clicked on the codes. This one here where it says download app, which, you know, it takes me straight to the options website, right? Takes me here. If you're on your phone, it's gonna make you download the app. Just letting you guys know that you're gonna have to download the app. And then after that, here are the lessons. So you'll be able to see the lessons of the videos, how to make a deposit and all that stuff. Now there's a section here that it says that to do download Coinbase digital card for deposits. You don't have to do that, because I know if you guys have crypto, if you have a Trust wallet, Exodus wallet, or any other wallet that you have your coins in, all you have to do is just transfer the money from your wallet to the, what is it called, pocket options. All right, all you need is just any ordinary wallet. You don't need Coinbase or anything like that. You just simply deposit from any wallet. All right, just letting you guys know that. And for withdrawal, the same thing. Put in your address from Bitcoin and put in your Ethereum address, or put in your, hold on, let me go to a real, let me just go here. I know. See, my real balance right now, I have like $51. I started off with $10, guys. And just letting you guys know that I did this all on my own. Don't worry about this stuff here, guys, because as I said, I do binary options by myself. I'm learning. You won't see this for the first time. Like, none of this stuff won't be on your page when you go to the pocket options. It will all be just the candlesticks. That's all you're going to see. So if I decide to withdraw, they have the option for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Tether, USDT. All right, but TRC20, which is a good thing. So I'm just letting you guys know that. Let's go back to trading. Okay, back to the website. All right, so when you click on the plus sign right here, it's going to take you to the upgraded versions of stuff. Now, I didn't read what they said. Everything was going fast for me for some reason. Like, I kept declining, and then I went all the way to the end, so that way I'll be able to get the lowest cost and all that stuff. I mean, you know how things go with it reminds me, like, you know, those upsales, and then when you decide to leave, they try to sell it to you at a lower price. Well, this is the same thing that happened with this also. All right, so we have the Income Club Max, Income Club Pro, Income Club Black. And honestly, guys, I don't know what each one of these are. I mean, these are all, you know, signals, same thing. But I don't know, like, probably the time is different. Like, let's go to the original codes that you will receive. The original codes, it seems like every one of these are all 5 minutes. Then when I go to the plus and when I go to the max, they have 1 minute one. So it's a mix of 5 1 minutes and stuff like that, which is good because, you know, 1 minute is a really good, you know, timing, because you make more money off of that in a way. If, you know, like if you're doing 5 minutes all the time, it will take time. It takes time. But when you're doing the 1 minute one, it's like you can make more money, or you can make more trades within the day. You know what I'm saying? So they say to do 7, but I ignore that. I mean, that's just me. You guys don't have to do that, please. All right, so this other one here, I'm in the Pro. You notice these are all a bunch of 1 minutes. That's pretty neat. So that's it right there. And then the black one, I believe it's shorter. So these are the 15-minute ones. And I haven't really tested it yet. Like, I don't know if these are like guaranteed wins in a way. That's why, like, it's longer. You know what I'm saying? Because if you do like the 1 minute, I just think that, you know, if you don't know anything about binary options, the time frame is very important, and you have to understand that you have to be very patient when you put in a trade for 1 minute. When you're doing regular Forex and you know that the market is going to go up or down, but you know, you can forecast what you're going to mark, like what you're going to trade, then you know that the candlesticks are going to go up within 15 minutes or so. And that's how you know that it's a more guarantee that way with a longer time than when you do it in 1 minute, because in 1 minute, the candlesticks could jump up and down anytime. You know, so if you just set it for 1 minute, it could be green, but all of a sudden it could just jump down to like red, like instantly. And that's why you might lose faster that way. And then when you set it up for like 15 minutes, well, I know the market is unpredictable, but like, if you know how to set your, your time frames, the support, resistance, you mark everything using RSI and all that stuff, that, that could help you out a lot. But I mean, we're going to test this on my next video on how all this works out. All right, guys, we're going to do the $1 challenge to see how much I can make off of that. Now, the rule here with this is that you need to put in you have to set everything up and make sure you click on the button 2 seconds before the next candlestick hits. Okay. So if, example, like over here, it's 230, right? It's 230. So you got to click on 229.58. You got to click on that. 58 seconds. On the 58th second, you got to click on that button before it goes to the next candle. Now, that's what they say. 2, if you end up losing a trade, on the next trade, double your money. Meaning that if you bid $1, if you lose it, the next one, put $2. Okay? Now, if you lose that second trade, get out. That's it. Your day's over. Another 12 hours, come back. That's what they claim. All right? So those are the rules for the Income Club. Now, I've seen some of the videos that people have been doing, and it seems like they're doing okay. Now, of course, there's no guarantee in anything, guys, because this is a market. All right? No guaranteed in anything. Okay? So once again, this is my review. It's an honest review for me, and I just want to tell you guys straight out. Now, the thing that I just, I was relooking this the other day, and there's something that I don't agree on sometimes with this, is that I have like the Pro and the Max open together. And I also have this other one open, the codes one, this other one here, the normal one. I have it open. There are times that I come up with the same time frame, right? The same 5 minutes, right? And the same, currency, Euro, USD. And one of them is red and the other one is green. That I don't understand. So like, which one do I pick? You see what I'm saying? Like, that I came across that multiple times, and that for me is kind of risky, and I don't take those trades. I don't take those trades at all. So my recommendation for you guys is that if you see 2 of the time frames, like if you guys did upgrade and you guys got the Pro and the Max and all that, and if you see the same time and one of them is red and the other one's green, don't take it, because you don't know what's going to happen next, unless you have like set up like the way I have things set up here. If you go over here, you have things set up, you know how things are going to go, if it's going to go up or down. So right now you see like the market going down, and you see the RSI is going down, and you see these lines over here are going down. And then like for me, in order for me to receive confirmation, is that when this candlestick starts to hit the bottom here, and if these 2 lines here starts to cross up, and I see the green line starting to peak up a little bit, then yeah, that's when it goes up. But I have to be patient. Like, I don't just jump in right away. I have to confirm with these lines here to see if it's going to jump up or not. You know what I'm saying? So that's why, like, I sit here, right? I sit here patiently, and I just wait to see if it goes up. And I do the same thing what Income Club does, is that I go in a couple of seconds before. In fact, what I do is that if you look at the time over here, the expiration time, I count the seconds right here. And when it hits 50, and if confirmation for me is not good, I wouldn't jump in. But if I see like the candlestick going up really good and everything, and right now it reaches the 50-second mark right here, I would jump into the trade and I win. But sometimes I do this like prematurely, like sometimes it just goes like straight across here. Then sometimes I would make that mistake. That would be me. I will make that mistake. But I'm just showing you how I do it on my own, right? So right now, you could see it's still kind of going straight here. So it's still going to go down. And this one is still like, these 2 lines here are still going down. I have to see something that curves like starting to go up. So if we go like a little bit back over here, if you notice this section here came out of the blue line, And you notice that in this area here, it went down and it jumped up. That's how you know the confirmation is going, because you see this blue line coming above and the orange line is below. So that's how you know that it's going to go up. You see what I'm saying? And it's hitting the bottom area here. So back to this here. Now you can see like the two lines are here and this one looks like it's going up. But look at the green. Now it's a green candle. I would like wait a little bit. You see how it says 50? I wouldn't jump in there because I'm still would be uncomfortable with that part right there. Like I wouldn't jump in now. So now we see now it's jumping up more and a more curvy right there. And this right here is still like pointing down a little bit. So I still wouldn't go. So I would wait until the 50. When it says 50 seconds here, I would wait to see how this candle goes. If it goes like green over here, then I would jump in, because then I know the next one is going to go up. So you can see it's still going down and it's on 23 seconds right now. See now it's going green now. Looking at this over here, the blue line is going up. The green is still like a little bit, I just need some more confirmation, but no, it's going back down. So I wouldn't jump in. See, like this is what I will do like for 2 hours. Like I would stare at the chart and I would just visualize to see like if it's going to go up or not, Now, of course, I'm going to show you my trades. These are my trades that I've done on my own recently. Okay, so you notice that this top one right here, I broke even, meaning that I didn't get no profits, but I broke even. These ones I won. I won 4 in a row, but I lost 4 here. You see, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 in a row. Then I won before that one. So you can see that I've, oh no, I didn't lose this one. I broke even on this one. So I lost 3 in a row here. See? So it was above the line. But I think I made this video too long, guys. So you see now it's going up. You see how it's up here, up here, up here. Everything looks good. Like now it's going up. Now is it going to stay like that? Or is it going to continue going up? Maybe, maybe not. But, right now it looks like it's consolidating. So you can see like it's just going like this. So there's no like upwards up. I'm not a professional trader, guys. I am not a professional trader. I'm learning. I'm still learning. I'm a newbie. I'm still a newbie. So yeah, I still wouldn't take it because right now it's still telling me that it's like still going straight here, and yeah, you can see that it's going down. So I wouldn't pay attention to this right now. I'll actually move on to another one. Like I'll just start to skip around. But I think I made this video too long. It was supposed to be about Income Club, and I'm all here trying to teach you guys what I know so far. But that is basically it. So on the next video, you're going to see how this thing works and see if we could make how much we could make from $1. So let's go ahead and jump onto that, guys. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later. You guys take care and God bless. Bye.